Why does your scanner show the P26AE engine code? What does it mean? P26AE is a diagnostic trouble code. Engine coolant, bypass valve, B control circuit high. This error code indicates a malfunction in the engine coolant bypass valve B control circuit, specifically a high electrical condition. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. High voltage in the control circuit, PCM malfunction, stock open valve, coolant leaks. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996. It is commonly found in vehicles like Toyota and Subaru. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.